In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in monday.com. This process takes just about 5 minutes, and it's a handy skill to have when you're managing multiple projects but don't want to start from scratch. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com. You'll want to log into your account, so click on the Login button found on the top right corner of the screen. If you're not already logged in, you'll see options to access your account. Choose Google to sign in if that's connected to your account, and go ahead and select your Google account from the list. This will bring you straight into your monday.com workspace, loading all of your boards and tasks. Now that you're in, find the board you'd like to duplicate. This board is probably loaded with valuable information, and duplicating it can save you tons of time while keeping the same structure and data intact. Navigate to the specific board. Notice the 3 dots nestled right by the invite link in the top right corner of your screen. These little dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them. Once you've clicked the 3 dots, you'll see a menu unfold. Among the options, find and click on More Actions. This broadens the list of things you can do with your board. Look for the option that says Duplicate Board and click on it. This is where you actually create a replica of your current board. You'll now see a prompt asking you to type in a name for your new board. Choose a name that is descriptive enough so you can easily distinguish it from the original board. This is important to avoid confusion down the line when you're scanning through your boards later. Enter the name in the provided field. Finally, it's time to wrap things up. Give everything a quick review to make sure the name is correct and you're happy with the potential duplicated content. Once you're all set, click on the button that says Duplicate. And just like that, your new board will appear in your workspace, ready for you to use. All the data from the original board, including all tasks and column settings, will be there, perfectly mirrored in the new board. This process of duplicating a board not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across different projects or teams you're handling. Remember, duplicating a board is a great way to preserve your board structures while expanding your workflow. Practice it a few times and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy organizing on monday.com.